If you think you need a lot of money, expensive tools, or special skills to start making money online, that's simply not true. The truth is, there are people right now, complete beginners, who are earning online using simple methods that anyone can learn. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 5 practical and beginner-friendly ways you can start making money online today, even if you're starting from scratch with little or no experience. When I first started, I had no experience and honestly no idea what I was doing. I made a lot of mistakes and tried several things that simply didn't work, which was frustrating at the time, but I didn't give up. I kept learning, testing different approaches and improving along the way. Eventually, I discovered the right methods, and that's when everything began to change. Things started to make sense, and I began to see real results. The first method is freelancing. This is one of the easiest ways to start making money online, because you can begin with simple services like writing, data entry, or basic research. You don't need to be an expert or have years of experience. In fact, many people start with little knowledge and improve as they go. The key is to focus on what you already know, build on it, and start offering value. As you gain experience, you can increase your skills and charge more over time. Platforms like Fiverr make it easy for beginners to get started by creating simple gigs and getting paid for small tasks. You don't have to overcomplicate it or try to do everything at once. Start with something simple. Clearly explain what you're offering and focus on delivering real value to your clients. As you complete more jobs and get positive feedback, it becomes easier to grow and earn even more. The second method is doing small online tasks. This involves simple activities like watching ads, testing apps, completing surveys, or handling quick online jobs. These tasks usually don't require any special skills, which makes them perfect for beginners. While the pay may be small at first, it's a good way to get started. These methods won't make you rich overnight, but they're a great way to earn your first few dollars and get a feel for how making money online actually works. They help you build confidence, understand the process, and take your first real steps into the online earning space. From there, you can start exploring bigger opportunities and increasing your income over time. Another method is selling simple digital products like notes, PDFs, or guides. You can create something useful based on what you already know and offer it online without needing any physical product. There's no inventory, no shipping, just your knowledge packaged into something valuable. Once it's created, you can keep selling it repeatedly, making it a great way to build passive income over time. Once as you create it, you can sell it over and over again without having to redo the work each time. That's what makes it such a powerful way to earn online. It allows you to turn one effort into multiple streams of income and grow your earnings over time. The next method is affiliate marketing. This is where you promote other people's products or services and earn a commission whenever someone makes a purchase through your unique link. You don't need to create your own product. Your role is simply to connect the right audience with the right offer. With the right approach, this can become a very effective way to earn online. You don't need to create your own product or deal with production at all. Your job is simply to recommend something genuinely useful and share it with the right audience. When people trust your recommendation and find value in what you're promoting, it becomes much easier to earn consistently over time. The final method is content creation. This could be starting a YouTube channel, a blog, or even a social media page where you share helpful and valuable information. By consistently providing content that people find useful or entertaining, you can grow an audience, build trust, and open up multiple ways to earn online, from ads and sponsorships to product promotions.
You don't even need to show your face on camera. Create simple videos using slides, stock footage, or animations, add voiceovers to share your message. With consistency and dedication, your audience will grow over time, and so will your opportunities to earn online. All these methods are beginner friendly and don't require you to be perfect before you begin. The most important thing is to take action. Don't try to do everything at once. Pick one method, focus on it, and stay consistent. As you keep learning and improving, your results will gradually grow over time. If you found this helpful, make sure you subscribe to the channel and drop a comment below telling me which method you want to try first. I'll personally guide you on how to get started and share more tips to help you grow and succeed online.